What's up, everybody? Seeley here. Today we are going to be talking about the one easy tip that you can incorporate to make yourself a better photographer. Stay tuned. Alright, so picture this. You call a model, you've been wanting to shoot her for a long time. She says, "Hi, I love your work, I would love to shoot with you." And so you look at your calendar and you pick Saturday. You get ready, you plan the concept, you get all of your batteries ready, you get your cards formatted, you get your camera nice and clean, you get your nice photo shoot clothes on, you get your lucky socks, you get everything ready. 10 a.m. on Saturday comes around and you start packing up your camera bag. 10:30 rolls around, you start walking out to your car. 10:45, you get around that third turn and then you get a text. "My grandmother passed away, I can't make it. I'm so sorry, I thought the shoot was next Saturday. I can't make it. I'm not feeling good today. Is there any way we can reschedule?" Go from a look of excitement to a look of, look, I've been there before, I get it. That's what we refer to as being flaked on. Sucks, doesn't feel good. It knocks you off of this cloud of being excited to this feeling of like, what the hell? It sucks, not a very good place to be. If you're like most photographers, you get mad, you get pissed off. You start putting her name down on a list of girls you're never gonna work with again. You start thinking about all these mean things to say to her when you see her. Don't do that, because that's messed up. But you start feeling negative things. You start feeling anger. You start feeling all these bad vibe feelings. If you're like some, you go straight to social media and you comment, "I have been flaked on. I hate when models don't show. Why me? It keeps happening to me. Another model didn't show up." If that happens to you all the time, it's possible that it has to do something with you. Let me explain that for a second. When you photograph people, ask yourself, why are you photographing people? I'll answer that question for me. I photograph people because I want money. I want to get paid. Reason number one. Number two, I shoot people because I want to create something that I can make money off of for other people. So if I see someone that has an incredible look who I know won't pay, I'm going to shoot something with them that I know I can make money with later. If I shoot someone that has a humongous following, I'm not expecting to make money off of them directly, but I guarantee when I post it, their followers are going to say, "Okay, I want to shoot with the guy that shot that," and they're going to pay me money. So I shoot for money. If you don't want to shoot for money, there's nothing wrong with that. But if you're shooting because you only want to see a girl in lingerie, not judging, but that makes the model the one in control. They have the item that is in demand. They're used to having tons of photographers ask, "Hey, do you want to shoot? Do you want to shoot? Do you want to shoot? Do you want to shoot?" They're in control. It is what it is. They're in charge. Well, if that's your goal, if that's your motivation, if that's what you love shooting, again, not judging, there's nothing wrong with that. You are giving all the control to the model, so they are determining the terms. So if they don't show, yeah. What are you doing to make them want to shoot with you, besides just being available and having a camera? What are you doing to make them say, "I want, nay, I must shoot with you"? I've never used the word nay before. So when that happens, think about this. What can you do with that shoot to make it more desirable for someone to want to shoot with you, as opposed to making it obvious that you want to shoot with them? Honestly, if you're putting up posts regularly about models flaking on you, you're setting yourself up to be flaked on. I'm a big believer of whatever you put out into the universe is what you're going to get back. This is not like the secret whole voodoo stuff. This is saying, if you always talk about something, that's what you're going to see. If you always talk about something that happens to you, that's what's going to happen to you again. If you look at the world in a negative way, you're going to have negative things happen to you. If someone flakes on you, how do you make that a positive? You post in a positive way. "Hey guys, I got a studio opening right now. If you can make it, let me know." Positive, no mention of negativity. If no one's able to shoot, what can you do? I'll give you lots of things you can do. Number one, you can go on your social media and fix it, because I'm pretty sure your social media skills are not very good. How can I say that? Because most people I see, social media skills are not very good. If you're posting negative stuff online about a model flaking on you, your social media is not very good. Just telling you. If you put out positive stuff, people are going to see the positivity. They're going to want to be around that positivity. They're going to want to be around you because you're a positive person. If you're talking about everybody flaking on you, you're putting the idea in other people's head that it's okay to flake on you because you get flaked on once a week. Stop talking about being flaked on. That right there is one of the easiest ways to make yourself a better photographer, because if you spend 5 seconds less talking about bad stuff, those 5 seconds can be spent doing good things. Good things like updating your social media, posting more than once a week, posting more than once a month. Eddie, if you go and spend 5 minutes answering every single person that commented on your last picture, that's going to help encourage more engagement on your images. The more engagement you have, the more people are going to see your posts. If you post a picture and you don't interact with anybody, what's the algorithm going to think? The algorithm is going to think that you don't care. You're posting and then you're logging off. The algorithm is not going to pay you back with more attention because they see that you're putting in minimal effort into social media. So whatever effort you put into it, that's what you're going to get out of it. If you don't know social media, I'll do a video talking about that because I'm obsessed with social media. There's so many people that do things wrong, and there are a few people that do it amazingly. I would say I'm right there in the middle. I do things more than most, but not as skilled as a lot of people that are crushing it. I can't give you all the top secrets, but I can tell you what the basic things are so you can step up your Instagram game or your Facebook game or whatever you have, the Snapper chatter. But that's going to help increase your exposure, which is also going to result in new faces seeing your work, which gives you a better chance to be in front of someone that might love what you do. But think about it. If they get to your site, if they get to your page, if they get to your Facebook, your Instagram, to your Snapchat, whatever it is, if they see you over there and they see you spouting negative stuff, man, that's a big turnoff for me. If I'm on social media and I see a friend that I connected with a couple years ago that I really don't know, and I see their posts are super negative, oh my God, why me? I got cheated on again. I found my man in bed with 2 other dudes. Again. I seen that post. If it happens again, maybe it's something that you're doing. I'm talking to you. That's not fun to read. It's not fun to watch. It's not fun to experience. The biggest thing is if you are the type that posts negative things on social media, if you're the person that holds on to negative things that happen to you and you hold on to it like it's a big old teddy bear, stop. Let go. Relax. Let it slide off. Don't worry about it no more. Because if you can turn that around and look at the positive things, I guarantee you that's going to make people see you in a much better way, and those negative things will happen less. Next time someone flakes on you, let it go. It happens. Happens to everybody. Let it go. Put that time into your business. Put that time into your website. Put that time into your social media. Learn how to edit better. There's plenty of stuff that you can do. Edit old pictures. Post old pictures. Send random texts to people that you haven't shot in a long time. That's not a wasted day. That's very productivo. That's very productive. So you can either sit, be miserable, or you can do stuff that's going to make your life better. Now, if you came here expecting to see behind the scenes of bikini models and moving their stuff, that's coming soon. But I'm testing a new format. I want to see how videos like this, where it's information based, as opposed to fancy transitions and sound effects and words that go across and do like double backflips and go back into each other and all. I take pictures. I don't do videos. You know, I see a lot of channels that are really popular that are about photography, but they all have these fancy cool things that I wish I could do, but I can't. And when I look at what they're talking about, it's photography that isn't really photography. It's filmmaking 101. It's After Effects. It's how to do all these fancy things that don't pertain to photography. Look, I ain't judging. I am judging. I'm not judging. I want to teach you photography stuff. I want to teach you stuff that's going to help you make more money. Or it's going to help you close a model that you've wanted to shoot for 2 years. There's a lot of stuff I got inside of my head that I think would be beneficial for those who are serious about photography. I need to know if easy videos like this are of value to you, or if you need to be entertained with fancy zigzags, flips, flops, swipes, zoom in, punch in, pull out. I tried. I've been YouTubing for about 3 months, and I love it. I love this new platform. I love talking to people, and I love reading the comments, and I love interacting with people because I'm obsessed with photography. I am not good at After Effects. I'm too old for that stuff, y'all. I can't do it. But what I can do is I can give you little tips that are going to help make you better. If you take these few tips and apply them to your daily routine, I guarantee your mindset's going to change, and you're going to see slow improvements every single day. Or you could just sit back and say you're full of shit. Up to you. What you want to do? Alright, y'all, that's it. stay tuned for the next video. I'm actually going to be in Ohio for the Arnold Classic early next week. We'll be out there shooting some amazing fitness models. But we have the house we have reserved in Mexico. It is completely booked. We have one house completely full. We've got some amazing models coming out. They look dope. They've got incredible bodies. So if you like that kind of thing, we're contemplating getting a second house so that way we can accommodate more photographers. So the house number 2 would be for some more models and then some more photographers, so we could have some educational shootouts, sit around a campfire and drink some beers and talk about photography. Where's my beer? If that's something you're interested in, comment down below. I'll get a link down there as well so you can get all the information on how you can come out and hang out with a bunch of photographers, shooting a bunch of fitness models, and focusing on taking your photography to that next level. So hopefully you can do more of what you're passionate about. If you get any value out of videos like this, please comment, click like, subscribe, notification bell, all that good stuff. And until then, we'll see you in the next video.